Hello friends, in today's video let me show how I made this quilling. This is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Craft. In today's video I have decided to make a watercolor painting and to quill over it. So for that I'm using watercolor paper, which is about 300 GSM, cold press paper, and then I'm using artist grade watercolors to paint a floral. I'm just a beginner in watercolors, but since I'm going to quill over it, it's not going to matter that much. Earlier I have chosen the colors that goes along each other, and I have even prepared my quilling strips. These papers are from creativehands.in, which are artist grade. I just did on-edge quilling for the stalk, and for the leaves I'm going to make some loose coils and then bend them to a leaf shape. So I'm going to use both the shades of green, the dark and the light of a somewhat fern green and pista green color. And then I just keep on making these leaves of various sizes so they fit according to the size of the leaves that I have drawn. Sometimes you can see the watercolor marking which are outside, but that doesn't matter. It will be beautiful just like that. I always take glue on a sheet of non-sticky surface so that I can save my glue. They don't dry up fast. I mean, the one in the bottle don't dry up fast, so I just apply some glue over the non-sticky surface and then close away my bottle so I can use my glue for a longer time. And then I just dab glue over the base of my quill piece and then dab it on a glueless spot so that I take off the excess glue from the surface, and this also helps reduce the glue marks on my work. For the center of the flower, I'm using the light shade of lavender and just making some loose coils in a size that fits the center. Just cut off the excess and glue them to the center. For the remaining petals, I make loops which fits the shape of my drawing, my painting, using both the shades of lavender. And I also don't quill along the same spot. When I need a particular spot to be dried for a little bit more time, I just go on doing the other parts. So this saves my time. In this project, after making my watercolor, I had to put it to dry for about 1 day. It's not always necessary, but still it is good to leave the watercolor to completely dry. Otherwise, the paint will get smudged, and also you can't stick them properly to the base. Then I keep adding all the other layers of the flower using both the dark and light lavender shades. Once I'm happy with the outcome, I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this process. Watercolor base along with quilling is really a beautiful thing to do, so just have a try. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like my video, and if you wish to have any special request of video making, do comment them. I will be so glad to make them for you. Also do subscribe my channel and keep watching all of my videos. You can also check my other channels, which I will be giving you. You can also check my other craft channels. Thanks for watching. Happy quilling!